See what's going on out here. Got some of the yard done. Gotta do that part over there. Oh, what the heck is this? A bird hung all up in there. Hey, Mr. Bird. Looks like your ass is hung up in there. How about I help you out there? You got your toe hung. Yeah. Now you can fly away. Yeah. Well, got that done. Watered the tomatoes, but I still got a weed eat up around the garden. Yeah. Just gonna get me some gas for the weed eater over here. Got the gas jug down through there. The corn I gotta do. Weed eat, well, till down this side of it. And there's some spots. Got trim grass around the gourds. And just, there's watermelons out there growing, some pickles. So I gotta be real careful going around that. Yeah, so that's just what I'm doing here. But this is what I gotta do now. Gotta put some gas into that there. That there's a lightweight, that's a steel 131 FS. Yeah, it's a steel FS 131R. And I had to idle it up, and I'll show you with idle screw. And you just one little thing I can show you. On the bottom there, the very bottom hole, you take a Phillips, turn it clockwise, and while it's running, after it's been warmed up, and it idles good. And over here, you see, that won't take long. 15-20 minutes, just a bunch of 40 clovers, I call them, clovers. And I gotta get over here. That's the net project. I'm getting a little ways on it. Yeah, I'm through there just a little bit. I'm gonna hook my antenna wire up to that. That disc is hook that up. Just what I'm doing right now. I gotta raise that string up, get me a post. This metal post here. Metal post and something to hammer with. I don't know where I put it at. Yeah, I set a bird free today. Here we go. There's my little axe. I hope it don't fly off the damn handle. It was about to, ain't it? Hammer it down. Oh shit, something fell over there. Yeah, I got down a little bit. Right there, I gotta put the post and this metal in the middle so I can get the string off the ground. Right up here. See how the string sagging right about in the middle. Right in the middle right here. Yeah, Indian corn's growing on up. Yeah, I like saving the Indian corn, trying to make them perfect. Yeah, out there it's another story for tomorrow. We'd eat tomorrow out there. The string down here. I'll see if I can figure out a way. Pull the string up so the weed eater don't hit it. Up in the middle here. Right about the middle, right about here. Right about there. Yeah. Yeah, that's where I got it right about here in the middle. Pull it tight and wrap it around that post a little bit. So this is Fred today. Going weed eating just this little spot. So that's what happened. Set a little bird free that had a leg, his little toenail. That's all it was, hung up in that wire over there. He was hung up in that wire over there. So this is Fred today. I'm gonna finish all this up tomorrow. Just weed eat out there. So thanks for watching. Y'all be safe. Y'all be strong. Y'all be wise. And be aware. I'm gonna weed eat this part here. It won't take long. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye bye.